Hello dear fans. Which star is closest to the Sun? The closest star to the Sun is Proxima Centauri, only 4.2 light-years away. However, in our sky, it shines fainter than stars, which are within sight of the naked eye. Instructions. Step 1. Proxima Centauri is one of the members of the triple star system Alpha Centauri. This star is referred to as red dwarfs. Its diameter is almost 10 times smaller than that of the Sun, and its mass is 8 times less than that of the Sun. Proxima cannot be seen with the naked eye, but sometimes its brilliance is sharply increased. Step 2. Proxima Centauri belongs to the class of flare stars. Violent convection processes in its body lead to random strong flares. They are of the same nature as solar flares, but their power is much higher. Intense convective processes in the interior of this star indicate that its nuclear reactions have not yet stabilized. When a flash occurs on Proxima, its luminosity increases several times. Step 3. Proxima was discovered in 1915 by Scottish astronomer Robert Innes. Despite its proximity to Earth, this star is very difficult to see because, like other red dwarfs, it emits very little energy. The physical conditions in the interior of the star are close to those that occur inside the giant planets. Step 4. In 1975, another outbreak occurred on Proxima, which turned out to be unusually bright and intense. At the same time, many times more energy was released in the X-ray range than in the visible region of the spectrum. Probably, the source of the star's X-ray radiation is plasma with a temperature of about 4 million degrees Celsius. When the outbreak occurred, this temperature increased 6 times. Step 5. Another star of the Alpha Centauri system. It is also called Rigel, Leg, Centauri, the brightest in the constellation and the fourth in the night sky, was known in antiquity. It is very similar to the Sun, but is located further than Proxima. Alpha Centauri stars A and B form a binary system. Proxima is 400 times the distance from the Sun to Neptune from this pair of bright stars. All of these stars revolve around a common center of mass, with the orbital period of Proxima Centauri being millions of years. Step 6. The age of Proxima is comparable to the age of the Sun. In the future, it will become a stable star, emitting 1,000 times less light than the Sun. The closest star to us will shine for another 4,000 billion years, which is 300 times the age of our universe. Step 7. It is believed that the temperature and luminosity of Proxima are too low for a planet like Earth to exist in its vicinity. So far, the search for planets that could orbit the star Proxima Centauri have not been crowned with success. Thanks for watching.